A new day, a new adventure. Watch as Lily steps into her school, her eyes sparkling with excitement for the wonders that await. The world of learning opens up before her, and she dives right in. Every word from the teacher, every new idea on the board, is a treasure she eagerly collects. Look at her, completely absorbed, her mind alight with curiosity. This isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about discovering the magic hidden in numbers and the stories woven into words. The classroom buzzes with the energy of young minds, and Lily is at the heart of it, ready to soak it all in. School is so much more than just lessons, right? It's about the people we share our days with. Look at them go! During playtime, it's all about teamwork and laughter. Whether they're building imaginary forts or chasing each other on the playground, every moment is a chance to build friendships. They learn to share, to cooperate, and to cheer each other on. And then, the creativity flows. With a paintbrush in hand, Lily's imagination runs wild, splashing a rainbow of colors onto the canvas. In music class, she discovers the joy of rhythm and melody. These aren't just hobbies. They are beautiful ways for her to express who she is and see the world in a whole new light. We all face challenges, and it's how we overcome them that helps us grow. Here comes a tricky puzzle, a problem that seems just a little too tough. You can see the determination on Lily's face. She tries, she thinks, and just when she needs a little nudge, a kind teacher steps in. Not to give the answer, but to guide her, to empower her to find the solution herself. And there it is! That amazing moment of breakthrough, the smile that says, "I did it." It's a victory that builds more than just knowledge. It builds confidence that will last a lifetime. And just like that, the school bell rings, signaling the end of another fulfilling day. As Lily walks out of school, she carries more than just her backpack. She carries new knowledge, happy memories with friends, and a newfound belief in herself. That peaceful, contented smile on her face says it all. Today was a good day. It was a day of growth, a day of joy, and another wonderful step on her amazing journey. Thanks for watching our story today. If you enjoyed this little slice of life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heartwarming content. See you next time.